Hey, good evening everyone from halfway up the hill. I saw that tomorrow was going to be a really good sunrise hopefully and a clear night, so I thought I would do a bit of spontaneous wild camping. I finished work at about 4 and I'm in again tomorrow at 12, but plenty of time to do a bit of wild camping. So I'm on my way to hopefully a really nice spot. I haven't really recce'd it. I'm just going to find somewhere flat, sleep on it, cook some food and yeah, enjoy it. So yeah, let's get up this hill. I am so sweaty and so warm. I think it's about 19 degrees and I think it's about 8 o'clock and the sun is still really high. I haven't really found a good place to sleep yet. I'm pretty much sleeping in this quite nice grass area, but it's right next to a path. It's not super busy, but yeah, I probably don't want to sleep here. Man, I should have brought a cap. Oh, it's such a beautiful evening. I'm so glad I came out. So, for my meal this evening, I'm going to get like a pesto pasta dish, but with fried courgette. And this courgette is from my garden. And I got some rainbow chard and some spinach. But look at the size of this courgette, huge! So yeah, I'm going to try and fry this. The only problem is, maybe I should have brought a bigger pan. Okay, I'm going to cook the pasta first and then chop up the courgette, fry that and then fry them together with the pesto. And sit and enjoy the view. And it's so good to cook on gas. Because where I live it's only an electric hob, but gas is so much quicker and I can't wait to cook like a proper meal in my eventual tiny house. I've made a bit of progress since the last tiny house video. I want to get one online soon. I'm still waiting on the circular window, which was meant to arrive last week, and then this week it was undelivered 3 times, so they're going to try and dispatch it later, and the window company's given me the tracking number, so I'll be able to track it and see where it is, and when it does get nearby, go out and look out for them. So that's a bit of a bummer. So yeah, it's just 2 more windows to go on and then the cladding, but I'll get there in the end. I actually have more time now, in a way, because I did actually apply for a job in Antarctica. I applied for this back in March and it's July now and I didn't get it. Not a bad thing, because it means I'll get to spend Christmas at the tiny house, so that'd be nice. Here's the thing, can I fit all the courgette in here? I probably shouldn't, so I'll probably end up with too much courgette. And this is some kale from the garden. I really should have bought a bigger pan. I think that'll do. So, all my courgette is buried under there with the pesto, so I guess I'll eat my way through there to the pasta. And that was so good. And a really nice sunset. Do you know what can make this moment even better? A cup of tea! Cheers, man. I am pretty content right now. Just had a good meal from my garden, a good day's work. I'm here, got a nice cup of tea. I'm ready for bed. Oh, I can see the moon just there. Yeah, it's meant to be a clear night all night. But yeah, I really hope it's going to be a good sunrise. The weather says it might not be. It's going to be sunny from like 6 onwards, but the sunrise is about 4:30 at the minute. So we'll see. But yeah, it's just nice to be here. I still got half the courgette, so I guess I will cook something with this tomorrow. Probably fry it up again or something. One of the annoying things about camping, wild camping, with or without a tent, is ticks. Like, this feels like a bit of a PSA, but yeah, I would definitely suggest anyone that goes out and about walking, definitely check yourself for ticks. Especially there's lots of heather and shrubbery around. It's really annoying. Man, I'm quite ready for bed, but then even though it still feels quite light, it is bang on 10 o'clock. Probably the best early morning sunrise I've seen in a while. I actually slept really well. I think I nodded off at about, I guess, just after 11. Slept all the way through. I just woke up about 4. The time now is 5 o'clock. It's going to be a really hot day today. It's a Saturday, so I think it's going to be busy at work. Wow, I'm going to be 26 degrees. I would probably give this wild camping spot 10 out of 10. It was perfect. Like, I couldn't have asked for better weather. Like, there's hardly any wind, which is always a bit annoying. There's a slight breeze, just enough to keep any midges or like mozzies away, which is what you want. It's warm. I think it's still about 14-15 degrees now. Probably chill here for a bit and then head back, have a shower, check myself for ticks, maybe edit this footage and go to work.